How to use Asana. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can use Asana in just a few minutes. So Asana is basically a project management tool that you guys can use to keep track of all of your projects and to make sure that everything gets done on time. So Asana has hundreds and hundreds of these integrations that you guys can use. So simply click on get started in the top right, and then that's gonna take you guys over to their sign up page. So simply put in your email address over here, and then after that sign up, and I'll catch you guys in 1 second. Once you guys have signed up, it's gonna ask you for your full name. So I'm gonna put in my full name over here, click on continue. Then after that, you guys can choose to integrate various different applications. So for example, if you are someone who uses Trello a lot, well then you guys can just simply integrate your Trello board over here with Asana and import everything that you do on Trello over here to Asana. So for now, I'm gonna click on skip, and then after that, you guys are gonna see their dashboard come up. So you guys have their basic layout right in front of you guys. You guys can also upgrade your plan. You guys can simply click on select your plan, and you guys can simply choose the plan that you want. Their basic plan starts at $11.99 and then goes upwards to about $25 per seat per month, which is very expensive if you are someone who works alone. But if you are someone who has a big team, well then of course you guys can afford to have this stuff done. Then of course over here you guys can see their dashboard, and you guys have an example over here of how you guys can potentially use the Asana board for. Now on the left side, you guys have the option to view your portfolio if you have any. You guys can even see your reports, your inbox if you have any messages from your teams, your tasks if you guys have assigned any tasks for yourself. And then of course you guys even have the option to view everything at once over here in their main dashboard. You guys can just simply invite people by clicking on the bottom left and clicking on invite teammates, and then simply putting in the emails of your team, and then you guys can simply invite all of your team. So that is how easy it is to invite people onto Asana, and you guys can simply manage everything that you want over here on Asana, including your projects, your reports, every single thing, and even your messages. So guys, this is how you use Asana. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.